But the crazy part about today's video is we're gonna order every single thing on the
What happened now?
start.
Oh, I have to say. Okay, hey riders, so today we're gonna finally make food vlog because all the Insta followers wanted us to make food vlog.
So guys, today we are planning to go to McDonald's, like normal video itself. But the crazy part about today's video is we're gonna order every single thing on the menu today and try to finish it. Yeah, I think both of us can't, but we have one more friend, Rehan, at the back. So yeah, we three will be completing it. So I think we can't complete the whole thing, but we definitely taste out everything. And I think we won't order a few stuff in the veg because it would be boring, right? Eating the veg and the non-veg together. So yeah guys, we'll just order everything and we'll let you know how the thing tastes and what do we normally prefer to eat. And I'll let you know how the video goes. Peace. Uday, you want a McAloo tikki also?
Everything.
So guys, we have been ordering, so we can't go near the place and order because of the pandemic situation. So we're kind of ordering from the phone and literally clicking on everything is getting me bored and just adding on stuff and adding and adding. So yeah guys, I'll just tell you how much is the total bill and how many burgers and all have we ordered after I complete clicking some 100 times in this phone. So yeah. So guys, we just completed our order. So you can see these are the amount of stuff we have ordered. I'll just get it closer. Uday, focus on it. So yeah guys, these are all the stuff which we ordered. And the total bill is around 3,132. Yeah, and that's after we ordered everything. So we have taken out a few of the veggie stuffs because obviously these both idiots wouldn't eat any of those. Just a few I've ordered from the veg section. So the total is 3,132. And they have just received the order and they have accepted it. So I think it'll take around 20-30 minutes because we have ordered a couple of the drinks also. So we'll just see how much time it takes and I'll get back to you as soon as we get the food and I'll let you know how it goes. So guys, there are not many people in the shop, the McDonald's right now. There are only like 2 customers, one behind me and us, and they have already taken our order. So I think there are literally like 15 to 20 employees or just making our burgers inside. I think we have given a lot. They're just giving us stare down like this by looking at us because we ordered so many stuff. So yeah, I think it's already 10 minutes are over guys. So I think in another 10 minutes everything will be done. And I'll let you know how many bags will come. I can already see one bag already completely packed. And they're still looking at us making the rest of the stuff. So I'll let you know how the thing goes and how much more time it takes. And I think we'll be eating and just showing you the rest of the stuff at home because it'll be quite awkward filling up the whole table and eating in front of all these people. So yeah guys, I'll just get back to you guys as soon as we get the stuff, whatever we ordered. So guys, we just got our food in I think 15 minutes. They're quite fast there. I told you right guys, I think around 10 to 15 employees were just working on our food because there are no customers inside. And they're really like, they just came with 3 bags and like, sir, here you go. And they gave us a receipt with the number saying like, sir, if anything is missing, just call us and we'll get you the stuff. And we thought we shouldn't remove everything and look like check if everything is there because I think there are a lot of items, right guys? So Uday is quite hungry and quite amazed to taste everything. I don't think we can completely finish all the food, definitely we can't, but I'll just show you how much we can complete. And I have a little backup guys. I have a few friends who would just come and help me out if suppose it doesn't get over. So I'll just see how much could we complete on that. On top of that, my mom calls you and tells get a McChicken for your sister. And I was like, there's a lot of food, so yeah, I'll just give her that thing after we taste it. And then, yeah guys, so we have a lot of stuff, so yeah, we'll just go home and we'll place everything on the table or something. And then we'll show you how many stuff have we ordered. Peace. So, what do you want to start first? I don't know. Ladies first. So guys, I'll just try the veg pizza McPuff and I'll let you know. I'll just let you know how does it taste and if it tastes like a pizza originally. Let me taste first. Cheers. Cheers. I don't know. I will.
start with that?
No, I don't even know what this is.
That is a neck aloo chatpata. And guys, this actually tastes well. Good, actually. Doesn't taste like a pizza, but an Indian version of like, you know the puff, right? The egg puff or the chicken puff. Tastes like a pizza version of it.
This is good, but not that great also. I would rate like, I think 7 out of 10.
You don't have to completely complete it right now, right?
Oh god.
You want to eat next?
I think I'll go for the veg paneer wrap.
Okay, I'll just go for the chicken one. You've been continuously eating veg from that, and we observe that.
In the starting
And it's not the way you tell. The thing is, it's written over here, the uneducated 10th class idiot.
10th failed idiot.
So yeah guys, we're trying out the mixed spicy chicken wrap. So yeah guys, I'll just taste it and let you know how it goes. So many people are calling you, are they? Anyways, cheers.
All that is dark.
Okay. Did you like the mixed spicy chicken burger patties filled in it and chapati just folded around it? North Indian version of a burger. Seriously. No kidding. It is really good, guys. Just that you can just replace the burger, the bread with the chapati, and voila, there you go, the mixed spicy chicken wrap.
You can take a minute of it.
English.
I mean eating grass, like grass.
That's vegetarian, what else? But paneer is there, bro. So yeah, guys, I'll just. How much can you complete this? I'm already 20%.
I can't eat it completely.
So guys, this is the first time my sister's there in the video. Apparently she wanted a McChicken meal and it was there, so I just told her, why don't you taste test something, whatever you like on this, because already me and Uday are 20% full. So she'll be testing the Mexican cheesy fries and I'll just eat a little of the chicken nuggets and I'll let you know how it goes. They get me the mustard now. So guys, my personal favorite with the chicken nuggets is the mustard because much more better. I asked for the barbecue sauce and apparently they couldn't get it. That's a fork for that. You didn't get the fork. The one thing which you need to do there.
He gave only these.
Okay, go get it from the.
5 minutes later.
So Akka, how's it?
Nice and cheesy, but I'm saving space for my McChicken burger.
Yeah, I know you can't eat that much.
Guys, this is 11:03 and we're gonna have something more equal with Rihan will take care of. So yeah guys, I'll be trying out the french fries with the peri peri. And what are you trying with that? Think. This corn burger crorepati question, no? Let me think.
Okay, let's go for 50-50 option.
50-50. 50? $3.
Oh no. Audience poll.
Audience poll. So yeah guys, then let me know what is your personal favorite in McDonald's and comment it down below. And I'll definitely order 50 of them and make Uday eat some there.
Hello.
So yeah guys.
That's only I'm gonna like sleep, I guess. Eat. Should I go for the dessert?
Hey, shut up. Order some.
Because I'm done.
So yeah guys, my personal favorite in McDonald's is always the peri peri fries. And the best part is this bag and you just get to shake it. Shake. Eat something. So yeah guys, I'll just have the best peri peri fries. Apparently this thing came out 4 years ago. And like it was really nice from the
I'll go for the
beginning.
potato veggies.
Okay. Just have it. Complete the whole thing. You want some?
The macaroni burger.
You want this? The more you eat, the better it is for me.
I'll sleep.
So there's Uday just took a small break to the washroom, you can call it, and he just called. But yeah guys, the way I eat my McMaharaja is I squash it completely to make it a mid-sized burger, as you guys can see. Normally it comes this big guys, it comes till here, but yeah, just squashed makes it feel better. Look at her looking at it. So yeah guys, I'll just taste it and I'll let you know how much more of it can I eat. I think Uday is already out. But yeah, I'll just have it and I'll let you know. hardly, I think I'll eat 3 more bites, bro. That's it, I can't eat more. So the first thing you did after visiting the washroom is eat a burger again.
I went to rob auntie.
It's just a video there.
It's a video, that's what I'm telling
You
you.
should be honest to the viewers.
Okay, you guys want, you can call auntie now.
I'll give the number now.
Okay, you can call me.
The untold truth. Okay, yeah, guys, I'm completely full. We have another 6 burgers left. Rihan will complete 4. So yeah, we'll just see. We have one muffin or cupcake, whatever you can call. And we have 3 McFlurry, something. So yeah, after we have everything, we'll let you know if we are alive or not. If the video is getting posted, that means we're alive. So yeah, guys, we'll just complete the whole thing and I'll let you know how it goes. Peace. So guys, we have completed everything except 4.5 burgers. This half burger he only left.
I can't eat it.
But yeah, guys, we have 4 burgers left. 2 pieces of chicken strips and the McFlurry, 3 of them. So yeah, guys, I think he'll taste the cupcake. Me and Rihan will eat the McFlurries and we'll let you know how it goes. Like the cherry on the top, we'll try it out and I'll let you know how it goes. But for now, I think this is good enough. We'll get back to you after we successfully survive this video, eating everything.
2,000 years later.
So there, want to go for McDonald's tomorrow?
After yesterday, not anymore.
So guys, hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want us to do more challenges with different fast food centers, just let us know and we would definitely do it. And if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And we're really close to 1,000 subs. Hope so you guys make it touch 1,000. So thank you guys and hope you guys join the SD Rider Tube community.
Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.